Welcome to another workshop. So in this workshop, what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to add yourself as a student. So I'm going to be showing you two methods for doing this. It's really important that you test your site as a student so you can see their experience, you can see the emails they receive as well. So it's really good to do this. I'm going to be showing you, as I said, two methods. One is the method I use, which is just adding them as a user and enrolling them. And the other method is to create a coupon. So let's go through this process now. So I'm going to take you through the first process. This is the process I use. Okay, so if you're logged into your dashboard, let's go to Site and go down to All People. Okay, let's come up here and let's add a user. So I've added a user here. I'm going to select the role. I want it to be student. Okay. And you can also select at this stage a course. I've only got one course. So this is the course I'm going to add him on to test. So Surfing for Beginners, and the plan is Special Deal. Okay. I'm going to manually set a password in here. So I'm just going to set something very simple, 128, just to test. I'm not going to send I'm going to send a notification so you can see that I've sent that. You can also, if you've got a funnel, you can actually enroll them into the funnel as well. So this has got a multiple use. You can also tag it as well if you're importing into here. So this is a double kind of good thing. That's why I like to use this method. Okay, so I've got my password, I've got my email address. I can just click add. So now I've added him into here. I've automatically enrolled him into the course. And if we go to courses and I click on here and I go to students, you're going to see that our student has been added because we did it at that stage. So now we can go in, log in as this student, and we can test. So a good way to log in is to do it through incognito. So I'm going to come up here and I'm going to go new incognito window. So I've got this new incognito window. I'm now going to log in as a member, and I'm going to put in the email address into here and the password like this, and I'm going to log in. So now I've logged in, you can see that I'm logged in as a student, and if I go to my courses, I have my course which I can go to and work through. So I'm in as a student. Now, as well as this, emails will have been fired off to this email address of this user. So here is one of the emails that was sent out by the system. So it gives you a chance to see what the student is seeing. So you can adapt or change these emails based on what you're seeing here. So it gives the URL, the email address, the student role. If you haven't set up a password, they can reset their password there, and you can log into the course there. So this is the first email. There is also another email. This is to log into the site as a registered user. So there's also an enrolled email that got sent out as well. Let me show you that. And here it is. So you've got congratulations, you're successfully enrolled in the surfing course, and there's the information there. Okay, so this is one way we can use to actually log in as a student. The other way, the other method, method 2, is to create a coupon and actually set yourself up. And I'll show you that now. So let's go to the courses. Let's go to coupons here. And let's create a new coupon. Add a coupon. I'm going to put 100% off. I'm going to go free course. I'm going to put a percentage amount, 100%, so it's 0. I'm going to apply it to specific products. You can apply it to all products. Specific, select product, surfing, redemption limit. I put this on 1 because I'm using it for test and I don't want to leave it open for other users to maybe find. So we can apply this discount first billing only. If you've got multiple, you can apply it to every billing there. Okay, so now I'm going to add that. So remember, this is our coupon code. Add this, and we have this 100% off. All I need to do now is get this URL by clicking here, copying it like this, and then I'm going to open a new incognito window. I'm going to type my URL in here for 100% off, and I'm going to go to where it says here. Notice it's applied 0. I'm going to buy now, and now what I can do is I can sign up as a user. So I'll just put a dummy email address in there, and once you've got that you can click buy. Because it's free, it's not going to take you to payment options, and congratulations, you've enrolled. So now you can continue to the course, and now it's going to ask you for your details. So I'll put in here John, I'll put in here the rest of the details, and I can click submit. So now I've got my password and I've got my email address. I can now continue with the course. So there's two ways of actually creating an account for you to see what your students are actually seeing, and also receiving the emails that they receive, so you can edit them yourself moving on. So that's how you do it. I hope that's helped.